Hi guys! Hello! Hi! Hi! Bria is eating breakfast, pandesal part 2. What are you eating, Bria? What are you eating? What are you eating? Huh? See, I'm eating pandesal. Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum. Give Papa. Can you give Papa pandesal? Papa, give me pandesal, Bria. Can you give Papa? Ah, ah, Fluffy. Good job. Papa, bite Papa. Yum, 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 yum. How about Tai Tai? Can you call Tai Tai? Tai Tai, you need to eat breakfast na. It's already late in the morning. Mm. Mm. Bria is eating. Bria is eating now po. Hi, Mama. Mama, hi. Hi. Hi, Mama. I'm eating pandesal. Say, Mama, Mama. Hi, hi, Mama. Hi. We're eating breakfast with Papa. Eating breakfast, Mama.